Welcome back, Kryptonians, to the Chart Experts continuing coverage of Bitcoin and the crypto charts. I hope your holidays, or if they have started, are fantastic. So continuing our look at the Bitcoin charts, I've been seeing lots of bullish fundamental analysis explaining why Bitcoin is still headed to 100,000. That's not technical analysis. I don't want to dampen the hopes of the people who rely on on-chain analysis and so on, but once you've seen these patterns, these waves unfold as they do, whether the narrative is bullish or bearish, the chart does not care, and the chart is giving us a very clear picture. If you know how to read charts, then there really isn't that much that changes really, even even when there is extremely bullish news. That's not to say that short-term fluctuations cannot occur, but the chart is a story, and if you read the story, if you're used to reading the story, as we are here at the Chart Experts, then it's really quite clear. I have a giggle to myself when I view some of the very famous, very well subscribed YouTubers who are pushing a narrative which I don't know what. It's I respect the quality of that analysis, but it has no bearing on the price most of the time. Okay, so that being said, we are looking at the Bitcoin chart on a daily basis, on a weekly basis even, and the story is as follows. We've seen distribution start to occur at the beginning of the year in January. We saw the market unfold, distributing all the way. We saw major signs of distribution after Bitcoin hit 64k in April, and since then the market has continued to distribute, which is evidenced by this fact that we've seen a upthrust after distribution in terms of Wyckoff analysis, and we've then seen the market continually sell off. This here is very strong distribution. Okay, all of this wave structure that we're seeing right now is very strongly distributive. This is not a sign of strong accumulation. There is buying occurring as the market sells off, but the way that these waves are structured, it strongly suggests that the market is going to continue to sell off. So we saw this particular consolidation here. This in itself was a form of accumulation, but is it going to hold up as strong support? No, it's not, most likely, because we saw this very strong candle wick down right through the heart of this particular accumulation. If this was strong accumulation, then price wouldn't have stabbed through it so easily. So we are very likely to see the bottom of this particular accumulation right now, and as we've said previously in previous videos, if this wasn't a very large distribution occurring, then price would not have unfolded as it has. So if you're looking at in terms of Elliott wave analysis, let's just now I know you can interpret this as if you want to as for example a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, sure you can, but we don't count waves in the traditional way. In terms of Elliott wave analysis, our analysis encompasses a wide range of price action, Wyckoff, energy analysis, which is our own proprietary techniques, and this is basically a three-wave pattern in terms of the way it's playing out. So this is how we are seeing it, and I know there may be pure Elliottians out there who are who look at this and say, okay, you're wrong, but the fact is, so this is a counter trend rally in our view. It's a strong wave moving upwards. Whoops. A strong wave. Let's just so a strong wave moving upwards, a counter trend rally, and a strong wave moving upwards. So that's your ABC. This particular wave structure here is counter trend. It's again, it's a 1, 2, 3. It's a counter trend move. So it's very unlikely to be part of this particular structure where we're seeing very clear 1 up, 2, and then 3 up, so it's a counter trend rally, that one, which suggests that the dominant trend is down. Now we like to look at more than just Elliott wave analysis on this channel, and in terms of our techniques, even if this was not an ABC counter trend rally, we'd still view this as bearish. There are a variety of reasons which I could write books about, but yeah, so we are expecting further downside continuation. We are not expecting this support to hold in Bitcoin, and we are expecting for price to go below 40,000. Okay, if you like this type of very clear analysis, we're not telling you, oh, it could go this way, and if it does that, and blah 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 blah. We see the charts very clearly. This is not up for negotiation. So I don't want to sound like I know it all, but and the market can surprise. I will hold my hands up and say the market can occasionally surprise us, but in terms of how this is unfolding, it's very clear. So I hope this has been helpful to you. If it has, please give the video a thumbs up. None of this is financial advice. This is not a financial advice channel. This is all my own opinion. Hey, this is Asim at the Chart Experts, wishing you every success. Take care of yourself and your crypto. Till next time. Bye bye.